Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Premier League in Canada. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our browser. And then on your browser, we're going to search for Fubo Premier League and then click on enter. Once you do that, just click the first link right here. And then you will be redirected into this part. Now, what we are going to do next is to click on Get Access. And then after that, of course, you'll have to pay for their subscription in order for you to watch inside their platform live. Now, just choose your preferred subscription right here. So after that, just click on Get Access. And then after that, you can just choose however you want to. So click on Next. And then after that, all you have to do is to, of course, log in into your account or create your account. And then click on Next right here. And then, of course, you'll have to put your information in order for them to verify your account. Now, once you start your free trial, you can now browse inside Fubo, and then you can now look for the Premier League section, and then you can now notify yourself whenever there is an upcoming match. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.